Hey guys, it's Tina and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to recreate, not really recreate, but I got really inspired by this look that I saw on Instagram. This one, and it's by Any Beauty. I really hope that I'm saying it right, but this is the look that I saw. I really loved how it looked like. I felt like her eyes were just kind of beaming, and she really did a great job like drawing attention to her eyes. But I don't have all like the shades, the colors, the glitter, the color, and the lashes, and the color of the little stone that she has under her eyes. I don't have that, so I decided to create just kind of my own version of this look using the products that I do have. So it's not really going to be a recreation, it's more inspired by that. So this is the look that I came up with. I really hope that you like how it looks like, and I'm going to be linking her name and her Instagram page down below under the description box, under this video. And yeah, so make sure to go and check her out. And if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So as usual, I'm going to start by priming my lid. I'm using the Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Eye Primer. This is my favorite primer, and I'm using it a lot, but you know, I just love it. So the first color that I'm going to be going with is going to be from the Warm Neutrals Volume 2 eyeshadow palette by Sigma, and it's the color Toasty right here, which is a soft, kind of a warm brown shade. And with a Sigma 825 blending brush, I'm just going to apply that to my crease in blending motions, going back and forth and really working this color in. And then also I'm going to apply it under my lower lash line. And this is just to warm up the eye all around. Then I'm going to be taking the color Oh My Mocha by MAC, which is this burgundy shade, and I'm going to take my E55 flat brush by Sigma and just pat it all over the lid. This is going to be the main kind of color of this look, this deep burgundy shade. I'm going to go up till the crease and stop right there, and then with the same brush I'm going to take it kind of sideways and apply the same color under my lower lash line as well to match my lid. Then for the sparkly goodness that's in the center of my lid on my upper and bottom lash line, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to take an actual eye glue. This is the Duo adhesive. I'm going to take just a little bit of my pinky and dab it lightly on the center of the lid with my finger until it gets tacky. And then I'm going to take some glitter. This is the Galactic Champagne Sparkles. Looks like that. I'm going to take a little bit of my finger, my pinky finger again, and just apply the glitter with my finger on top of the lash glue right in the center of my lid, and it's going to just stick to it. If you have some kind of a glitter glue, you can use that as well. If you don't, you can also use something tacky like an eyeshadow primer or anything like that in the center of the lid. Then I'm going to take also a little bit on the center of my bottom lash line, just patting, and it's not going to stick really well, but whatever goes on it, that's good enough for us. And then to just kind of highlight all of this a little bit more, I'm going to take the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the color Kush, which looks like this. I'm going to take a little bit of my pinky and apply it right on top of the glitter. This is just to add a little bit more of a silvery light hue to it. And also I'm going to take it under my lower lash line, that same spot where I applied the sparkles as well. And I'm also going to take a little bit under my eyebrow with whatever is left on my finger, but being pretty careful because it is a very intense color. And then I'm also going to take it to my inner corner of the eye to highlight the inner corner like that. Now I want to add a little bit more red to this look, so I'm going to take, this is my E45 brush, and I'm going to take rouge from the same palette by Sigma, and I'm going to be applying that to the inner and outer corners of my eye and blending it into the crease. And this is for the red hue of this look. A little bit on the inner corner, a little bit on the outer corner, and just blend them out into the rest of the colors. Then I'm also going to take a little bit of that under my lower lash line, but also only on the inner and outer corners of the eye, and leave this space where I have the sparkles in the center bare. Then I'm going to go back to the blending brush and just blend everything out. Let me just move my mirror. Just blending everything like that. And I think this is the first time in a very long time that I'm not going to be cleaning out the edge or making a sharp edge on the outer corner. I'm just going to leave it like that. Pretty smoky and kind of blown out on the outer edges. Now I'm going to add a little bit of eyeliner. First of all, I'm going to line my bottom lash line. It looks in the picture like she doesn't have any mascara on the bottom lashes, but she does have a black liner on her tight line. Not on her tight line, sorry, on her waterline. So I'm just going to line my waterline with the Graph Black Eye Kohl by MAC, like so. And then I'm also going to be lining my upper lash line if I'm gonna find my liner. So this is the Ciate Fierce Flicks eyeliner. This is just a pen liner. I'm going to be applying that very close to my lash line, all the way in like that, going all the way to the outer corner, keeping it pretty thin because I want all of the shadows to be shown when my eye is open. Then I'm just going to wing it just a little bit on this outer edge. Really just a tiny bit like that. And that is it for that. Now I'm going to apply some mascara, but first I'm going to curl my lashes. And as I said in the picture, it looks like she has mascara only on her top lashes. So that's what we're going to be doing. I'm using the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced and applying it to my top lashes only. And then I'm going to be applying some falsies. I'm going to use the Ardell 812 falsies. These are from the Faux Mink line. Now that I have that on, all there's left to do is just to add this little stone right here. I also did a look that a few years back, I think like 2 years ago for New Year's with this, and I really like how it looks like. It almost creates kind of like a sparkle, and I kind of feel like it draws attention to the eyes all over, so I really love this. This is actually the first thing that like drew my attention to her look in her post. So I'm just going to take a little bit of, just really like a dot of glitter glue, not glitter glue, sorry, of lash adhesive, the same duo adhesive that I used, and I'm going to dot it right under my pupil right here in the center of my bottom lash line. And then once it gets a little tacky, I'm going to take a little stone and apply it right underneath. You can get those stones at like Michael's or craft stores. These can be used for makeup, for your nails, anything like that, for crafts. And yeah, so that really adds a lot in my opinion. And this is the final look for the eyes. So yeah, that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it and that you like how this look came up. This was totally an improvisation, just looking at her photo and getting some kind of inspiration and trying to recreate the most similar that I can to that using the products that I have. If you don't have the same products that I use or that she has used for this picture, then totally just go ahead and use what you have and just get inspired by that. You don't have to recreate the exact same look. Let me know in the comments below if you liked it. Give this video a thumbs up on the way out. It would really help. I would really appreciate it. And of course, subscribe if you haven't already. Also, make sure to click that little bell button to get notified every time I upload a video, which is twice a week, Tuesdays and Saturdays. And I'm going to talk to you all on Saturday. Bye.